Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete Snapchat account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first access your Snapchat and go to this profile icon on top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon top right corner, right? And simply scroll down till you find this option called I need help in the support section. Go ahead, tap on it, and now simply you gotta go tap on this search box on top and tap on this delete my account. Now it will show you this article, how do I deactivate or delete my account. First, having an issue with Snapchat, you can simply contact support as well. Otherwise, you can say to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account, follow the steps below. To deactivate, so iOS and Android, this is given steps differently. So for that, for deactivate your account here in web or Android, tap on the Snapchat accounts portal and tap delete my account. So yeah, you can see this will open up this another interface for you where you're gonna go ahead and enter username. Then afterwards it will ask for your password. Once you have entered that password, then you will be able to activate this option called delete my account. Go ahead, tap on it, and then you will be able to permanently delete your particular Snapchat account like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.